Today it's my first time speaking Filipino in my video because I barely speak here. There's like one old video I made and you can actually hear me speaking Filipino. You just have to search on it. Anyways, you can tell that I'm Filipino, not American, Brazilian, or German. You can see my grandma here. You know she's Filipino. So this is my first time speaking Filipino in my little videos. First time. This is a tour house, by the way. Mag-start na tayo. Ito yung mga ginawa ko. Ito. Dragong bracelet. Itong hindi ko alam anong ginawa ko rito. May electric pan. Tapos ito na yung nakakatakot. Ito yung mga plushies nandito, diba? Ito yung mga laruan ng kuya ko. Dami pa laruan doon. May tinapay hindi pa kinakain. Ito. Kalimutan na ng Tagalog nito. Ito ang kuya ko. Ito yung tinapay. I haven't speak Filipino in any of my videos. Laging English yung kuya ko nito. At yarn yung banyorang. Ito yung higaan. Wala nang unan. Ito yung ilaw. Ito yung mga books ng kuya ko. Yung mga plushies ko. Ang daming laruan rito. Ay, nako. So, salamat. Bye-bye, everybody.